Ever been stuck waiting for a transfer to hit your account? You know the feeling. Maybe you need to pay rent, send some cash to a friend abroad, or finally treat yourself to that new gadget. You initiate the transfer, then, crickets. Is it there yet? Will it arrive on time? If you use Monese, you might be wondering about their transfer times. Fear not, fellow money movers. In this video, we'll break down exactly how long you can expect to wait for your Monese transfers to land, depending on where the money's going and how it's being sent. Now, Monese offers a few different ways to send and receive money. The speed can vary depending on the method, so buckle up and get ready to become a Monese transfer whiz. Monese to Monese, instant gratification. Let's start with the good news. Transfers between Monese accounts are instant. That's right, if you're sending money to another Monese user, they'll see it in their account the very moment you hit that send button. No waiting, no wondering, just lightning-fast transfers, perfect for splitting a bill with friends or sending a quick gift. Local plays, keeping it speedy. Moving on to local transfers, things are still looking pretty good. Here's the breakdown. UK faster payments. If you're sending money from your Monese GBP account to another UK account, faster payments are your friend. These transfers are also instant, meaning the recipient gets your money right now. SEPA payments. For transfers within the single Euro payments area, SEPA, zone using your Monese Euro account, things are pretty swift too. If you initiate the transfer before 11 a.m. Central European Time, the recipient will have the funds in their account by the end of that same business day. Transfers initiated between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. Central European Time will typically arrive the next business day. Going global, a touch more patience required. International transfers take a bit longer, but that's to be expected when dealing with different currencies and banking systems. Generally, you can expect international transfers to take anywhere from 2 to 5 business days to reach the recipient's account. Here's the thing to remember, Monese doesn't control the speed of these international transfers once they leave their system. The wait time can be influenced by the recipient's bank and the specific country you're sending to. Top tip, if you're sending money internationally, it's always a good idea to let the recipient know in advance. That way, they're not left wondering where their money is. So, there you have it. The lowdown on Monese transfer times. For quick transfers between Monese accounts and local transactions within the UK and SEPA zone, you're looking at instant or next day speed. For international transfers, a little more patience might be required, but typically within a 2 to 5 business day window. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.